Hi friends, Shannon here, creative crew member with Scrappiness, here to introduce the new Who-ville Christmas double-sided premium cardstock pack. This is a 6x6 premium cardstock, and there are 6 patterns, 4 of each design. They are double-sided, I think I said that already, and I'm going to go through them with you. Starting off with this really cool plaid with the pinks and reds and greens and teal. On the back is this kind of a gingham checked background in red. We have all the little Who-ville characters. These are also come in a stamp set and die set, which I'll show you in just a second when I show you my example of the card that I created with this paper. And so there's all of the characters and the stamps, stamped images on one collage of the paper. On the back is a green on green holly and berries. Then I love this pattern with the gifts. This could be Christmas or birthday. Very cute with the teal background. And then on the opposite side, it looks like jacks or snowflakes in different colors. Then we have a wreath with a lighter green background and a red bow, and that's repeated throughout. On the back of that is, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but it's a red on red of the same stamped images, or the same images as the stamps. So there we go. And here we have the little Who-ville girl again. I think her name is Cindy Lou, if I remember correctly. Cindy Lou Who? Anyways, another collage of the stamped images, or the images of the stamps. And then this is a great white polka dot on blue background that you can use for a snowfall scene. And another collage of the images that come in the stamp set. And then a green on green snowflake. Let me set those aside and I will show you the card that I created. Now I know there are cards that, let me go a little wider so you can see this is a tall slimline card. So I have Welcome to Who-ville. Let me share the stamp set. Here is the Who-ville stamp set, and you have actually three of the Cindy Lou Who, I think her name is. A stack of gifts, another gift, the Who-ville sign with the Who Knows and Mount Crumpet and Grinch's Lair, a mailbox with envelopes overflowing, and then a Welcome to Who-ville sign, and then a Christmas tree that has the words Have a Merry Christmas. I'm not sure if this is showing up very well because my stamps are kind of dirty behind it, but another one of my team members will be sharing the entire stamp set, and those have the optional die set. But I wanted to show you the stamp set because I used it in part of my card. So here I use the Welcome to Who-ville and some of the scrapbook paper, and then I flip the flap. That makes sense. Flip the flap, and then it has the Who-ville with the Who-ville, Who Knows, Mount Crumpet, and Grinch's Lair. Then we have that polka dot on blue background, the white polka dot on blue background, and then you flip it over, and I've stenciled the Pretty Pines, I think it's called Pretty Pines stencil. And then this stamp is from the Merry Grinchmas stamp set that was from a previous release, and I colored and die cut that out. And then we have the green snowflake on the green background, and then again I have from the Merry Grinchmas is the Grinch, and this stamp has a little puppy dog that's all one stamp with the Grinch, but I just cut the little puppy dog out so it looks like he's looking at Cindy Lou. And I stenciled the background on that with the buffalo plaid stencil. Next is a flap with the red check on red background, and then I have the flap with the Christmas tree that says Have a Very Merry Christmas and 2 gifts underneath, and then I have Merry Grinchmas at the bottom. So that is the new Who-ville Christmas paper pack. And there's also a re-release of the Ugly Sweater paper pack, And this is a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock with 6 patterns, 4 of each. And there's polka dots, ugly sweaters, ugly sweaters, ugly sweaters, little reindeer head with Let It Snow, snowmen, gingerbread men, and Santa Claus and penguins, sprinkles and stars, and snowflakes with stars. So that's a really fun paper pack also that is just in stock. I think the last time we had it in Slimline, I don't know that we had it in 6x6, but this is a re-release. So thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed our content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.